boys and girls, Miss Vera coming at you with our literacy lesson for Thursday, and it is reviewing Rainbow Fish. Now, we read the story about Rainbow Fish and how he didn't want to share his beautiful, shiny, shimmery scales, but he found out in order to be good friends, he needed to share. So we're going to ask you some questions about the story. All right, how does Little Blue Fish feel when Rainbow Fish refuses to give him one of his special scales? So here, Rainbow Fish had something absolutely beautiful about him, but he wouldn't share. How do you think Rainbow Fish felt? He didn't feel too good, did he? He was kind of upset and hurt and wondering why Rainbow Fish just wouldn't share. Rainbow Fish didn't realize he was hurting his feelings. How does the Rainbow Fish feel when other fish stop playing with him? Well, how do you feel when somebody stops playing with you? Kind of makes you feel sad, feel a little bit lonely. What does the author in the show in the story to help us see this? Well, he shows all the other fish swimming away or not being around him, and that would show us in the story that they didn't want to play with him. Did they say anything nasty? Did they give him ugly looks? No, they just didn't want to go near him. What happens to the Rainbow Fish when he gives away his first special scale? Well, think about when you've shared something with someone. How did that make you feel? It kind of brought a smile to his face. And right now, you don't see a lot of smile on people's faces because of the masks that we are wearing. But just know that behind all of our masks, and here's my mask right here, just know that we are smiling, whether you can see it or not. Okay? So it made him his warm heart. It warmed his heart to share one of his special scales. And you could see that in his face because he had a big smile on his face. How have you felt when someone refused to share with you? Well, we talked about that earlier. It would not make me feel good. Have you shared with someone the way that Rainbow Fish shared? Of course you did. You shared your toys with your friends, maybe at school or at daycare. Maybe you shared with your brother and sister. I know at my house, we like to share everything, especially blankets. We are very sharing with blankets. How does sharing make you feel? Again, it warms my heart to share with everybody. I love everybody to make sure they feel welcome. And when you come to school, that's what we're going to be all about, is making everybody feel welcome. I don't want you to be worried about what you might have that other people don't, because we're going to share what we can in here with the rules that are put on us. All right, boys and girls, I want you to listen to Rainbow Fish again, and I hope you enjoy this story. I can't wait to see you. Have a great afternoon.